Well, as you can see, it ain't letting up. Been about 24 hours now, and she's still blowing. So it's time to start shoveling again. I'll give you a little tour. Alright. We got about 2 feet in some spots, 1 foot in another. Altogether, probably 18 inches altogether, give or take a snowdrift or two, if you know what I mean. We're coming into winter wonderland now. And it's basically time to clear the runway again. As you can see, it's full again. When is this shit ever gonna stop? Gotta get the beast warmed up, make the move. Alright, that's about it for now. We're signing off, grabbing the snow shovel. We got a little driver there. Alright, that's about it. Sayonara.